Hey guys, as you know that I'm sharing few setups with you guys today. So right now it's a very bearish setup. It's a 1 o'clock setup. The 4 hour, it's a short here. I just shorted 10 contracts here. I'm trying to look at, like if we go down below this guy, once we tick this, it's going to be a flush. So it's a short. It's a short to test below low here. I shorted 10 contracts, guys, right now. What I'm trying to do is, this is very bearish. It needs to test lower. It can bounce from here, but what we need to look at is that in 30 minutes, in 40 minutes, we are getting this guy gonna be testing lower, and we will be getting it it as a flush. So like waiting for next 4 hour so that we can make some good profit here. It very bearish. It doesn't, in 30 minutes this need to bounce all the way to top, go. I mean, it's very bearish. It can even poke, it can do whatever it want to. It's a bearish setup. I'm short 10 contracts right now, and I'm expecting this tail to be very aggressive. This is very aggressive bears, and we'll be seeing a follow through. We can open somewhere here. I mean, bears will not let this candle close as green. They will do whatever it needs to be to close this as bear. So like expecting this to take a low of the day and test somewhere around here. So about 2-3 points. Like shorted 10 contracts, guys. So this is the time to make money. Like I'm just holding tight with you guys. I'm invested, and these are the trades which I will be trading with you guys once we open our trading room. I'm with the other call as well. So like these are the trades I'll be sharing, that when I'm short it. One day I might trade 4 or 5 setups. Other day I might not trade even one setup. So it's not going to be something like every day we'll be making a lot of money. It's like more of a trading stocks is more of managing a trade than making money in and out. Like there are a few other setups where we can make aggressive buying and selling. We can do all that. Did you see how this candle closed? Like it was bounced, and at a close they sold it. This is very bearish. It's as bearish as it gets. So what's happening is they are trying to close this 15-minute candle here. I mean, this time everything it comes by practice. So like they are trying to close this here so that we can see some kind of sell-off here. It's very bearish. It's very bearish. I'll be sharing all that when we're gonna be live. You're gonna be Once I'm gonna take a trade, I'm gonna explain beforehand that I'm taking this trade and why I'm taking. You guys know that I shorted here, then I shorted up over here, and took my profit. And right now I'm about 10 contracts short because I'm expecting a flush here. This is very bad. The flush is coming. So I'm already invested, guys. I shorted at 87.50, 75. So let's see. We need to see some kind of a flush. I'm expecting this to go way below here, and we can see what we have to do after that. Let's see. All excited. It's going to be a great flush. It's going to be like bulls. Okay, what a 5-minute chart guy will look at that. Okay, this is the bottom. I got the bottom of the day, versus a 4-hour guy saying, damn man, this is very bearish. This guy gonna go down. So the bigger picture is the key. We need to test this blue trend line. That's what I'm saying. But the thing is, I don't want to show too aggressive side of me. It can burn a newcomer as well. But I'm just saying, if you're here to take 1 or 2 points consecutive every day, increase your size. That's the way. That's the way to make money. It's not that you are going in and out. We don't want to get killed with paper cuts. So we need to trade a setup. We don't care where the price is trading. We don't care. We should not care. In the previous video, if you guys have seen, I shorted here. And it was a flush. So right now, this is a trap. For me, this is a bull trap. Look at this. How bullish this candle need to be going at 87 to, well, we are talking about 6-7 points it needs to go to make it bullish. Not even bullish, we have all these red zones and all that. I'm not at all. I can keep my position open for next couple of days with the stop 2-3 point above here, then taking a loss which going to be on my side. So this is very, this is about to get flushed. We are waiting next 15 minutes. Next candle might see some bounce or not, I don't know, but it will be testing lower, that's for sure. That's what, in my opinion, is for sure. We'll be testing way lower. So we need to trade the bigger picture and make our position in a smaller picture. So the bigger picture is bearish and trend is our friend. That's what we need to trade. It's There is no buying. There is no buying. All the dip buyers will gonna get chopped. They're gonna get very chopped. It's very bearish. I mean, I'm just looking for 2-3 points here. Like 87.75 is the position. If I make 86 or something, 10 contracts, you really can't go wrong in this setup. We need to trade this setup. We cannot trade the um, uh, the price. That okay, the price is here. It's a dip buying. It's a value or something. I mean, as a day trader, we trade the setups. We do not trade anything else. Very bearish, guys. Very bearish. This can do whatever they have to. This guy controls everything what's happening here. So we don't have to worry about what these guys are saying. 35 now. We don't care. 4 hour is controlling. The next 4 hour is going to be in 15 minutes. All these bearish guys will not gonna let bulls look at this. Will not gonna let bulls win here. It's a flush. It's a money making. It's time to make some good money. I mean, 10 contracts, 1 point is like, okay, I got 10 contracts right now. Give me 1 point. It's going to be what, about $500. I mean, why I smile is like, this is like, I don't want to promise you 10,000. I don't want to promise you that let's go this and that, and your heartbeat goes up and down, your blood pressure goes up and down, and you're like losing one day, making one day, losing one day, making one day. This is what you're looking at the screen. That's what we will be looking at, and we'll be making tons of money, guys. Tons of money. I'm live now. It's going to be full live on action. Look at this. This guy, once it break this, I'm gonna unload two, then three. I'm gonna start unloading, and it's time. It's time. I mean, it's like, and I have beautiful family with you guys right now, my traders family. So like, it's great. It's simply great. It's as best as it gets. Okay, guys, we are looking. So what I did is I shot it up, and it's giving me this. I'm almost $500 positive. I need to see some flush, all the support and all that. It's gonna go, and I'm gonna cover, guys. Let me change my order very quick. All right. Let me do beautiful. I'm all green. I'm waiting for this flush to happen. Okay, I put my order to cover every whole position at 85.75. I will close before. My order to cover my short is 85.75. Might cover before. So like, this is very bearish. This is going. This guy is going. So we have about what? About 15 minutes. 85.75 is what my order is to close. I am already 1 point up with 10 contracts. I might wait. I might close if it try to ditch me. I might close it anytime. But this is very bearish. We need to test lower. We need to. I'm waiting. This thing needs to break. This thing needs to break, and boom, there you go. We're gonna see some great money rolling in our bank accounts. So I'm not ready to give up as of now. It can do what it has to, but the bigger picture is very weak. 15 minutes, about 12 minutes. So I think we are going down. I think this is very bearish, very bearish. You know, one push down, I'm out. I mean, 80, 85, 75 is the time. These guys are showing that we are bullish, right? The 5 minute is showing that okay, it's a dip buying, but we need to concentrate on a 4 hour. If 4 hour chart is bearish, let them do whatever they have to do, buy or whatever. We are selling. We are not going to buy, no matter what. We can leave millions of dollars on the table, but we will not buy against the trend. And trend for a day trader is 4 hour, not a daily chart, not a weekly chart, nothing. 4 hours. So 4 hour is advocating, and 4 hour is dictating everything to 5 and 30 and 1 hour. So four hour is the guide, man. 4 hour is the guide, and we are going down. We're gonna, this is going to be a shock for all these tail buyers and all these midday buyers. Like this is, look at this. Give me 85. Give me 85, 75, and I'll be out. I refuse to sell my position as of now. And as you guys know, I trade with IB. I'm gonna fund some money here so that you can see my entries and exits, everything live. The fees is fees kills me in TD, so but I have taken the promise, and I have taken this step towards that. I'm gonna teach all that, so I need to be very upfront, and I need to trade. I need to put my money to something which I'm teaching. I don't want to teach and I say, oh, I can't trade that, but I can teach. I mean, I don't know how much of a commitment that shows. It has to be something that where I can put my money, and like I can teach as well. So that's the way to do it. That's exactly what we should be doing. All right, man. It's 10 more minutes, and it's going. Let's do it, guys. Come on. Let's do it. It's going to be stop loss hit and whatnot. It's bearish. It's going down. It's gonna be boom. There we go. So many stop loss got hit, guys, here, and we are in green. Let me see if I want to close my position here. Give me one moment, guys. I need to see where are the aggressiveness. We need some panic here. Come on now. I mean, this is very bearish here. This is a fake support. This is super duper bearish. So I don't know why and how somebody will be dip buying this guy here. Let's see. Okay, it looks like there is aggression, but this guy is super bearish. I will not be buying as of now. It's a no buy for me right now. No buy, guys. Let me do something here. Okay, no buy for me right now, guys. It's not a buy. It's a trap. It's the bulls are buying. I mean, this guy is bearish, so I don't know. I mean, for me, next 9 minutes, this guy need to come here. The 5-minute chart, 2 5-minute candles. Can they come here, over here? I don't think so. If they cannot come here, I'm not buying it. So I'm selling it. I mean, you can sell this bounce. I mean, if you can manage it right, you can sell this bounce. I'm already invested. Like, if it goes higher here, I'll sell it again. But as of now, I'm super bearish. This is the trap. This is all the dip buyers gonna buy, and they're gonna get killed. Very bad setup for bulls. Because the chart which dictates everything is very bearish. So we don't have to worry about what 5-minute is saying, what 5-minute tails are doing. Bigger picture will tell us everything. Alright, it's kind of fine. So if it goes up higher here, this range, I'll be selling some contracts and waiting for next 4-hour candles to give us some good profit. Alright, guys. I don't see any real buying as of now. It looks like to me a trap, and all the weak short guys who shorted here, they are trying to cover, and the uninformed buyers are buying here right now. Definitely not a buy. And I'm on the call on the other side. All right. Yep. It's like, come on now, give me my profit and let me go. I'm hungry. I mean, for a newcomer, the nap time is a killer because they don't understand the picture. The problem is they don't understand the bigger picture. If you understand the bigger picture, you trade all day long. You know, you make money every single minute. You know, so we are here to make money. We're not here to uh, get jobbed and depressed and all that. Most of the successful traders who make millions of dollars, you know, they are trading one chart. They are not jumping around Apple, Google, this, that. They are just trading one chart, and they master either oil, Google, Apple, Netflix, whatever you want to trade. You know, master that. You should have your trend lines. You should know the nature. You should know the traps. You should know the price action in that. Okay, we are good here. This looks bearish. Great. So you know we should know the right setup of the chart. You know the problem with most of the traders are, I mean, like what they do is they try to trade Apple because Apple was in trend today and they cannot trade it. They jump to jump they jump too many trades a day, stocks a day, and they cannot take many trades, and after they are done at the end of a day every trade looks like, damn, that I would have done it. So the thing is we need to be focused on what the bigger picture in one chart, only one chart. In our live trading, we'll be trading only one chart. Apple can move $100 a day, or Facebook can go down $100 a day. We do not care. Our money gonna come all from EMINI, you know, and in S&P you can use options, you can use whichever platform, but this is the only chart we will be trading, guys. Okay, this is weaker. I like it. Next 5 minutes will be giving us a good return here. We need to see what we have for next 5 minutes. I mean, look at that. You know, did you guys see? If you didn't, go back and see what happened here. You know, at a close they sold it, so we can see some kind of a bounce. I don't care, but it's going down. It's as bearish as it gets. You know, it's like super bearish for me right now. Very bearish, guys. I mean, any bounce here, I don't think we are getting any bounce, but I'm very close of. Uh, I'm very much about to close my position. I'm super hungry. I have to finish this call, but I will be. It's very bearish. Very. It's a trap. Don't buy this bull, man. It's a super trap. I mean, I don't know whoever gonna listen to this video, they are buying or not, but this is going to be my commentary when we're gonna trade live. The thing is, do I get wrong? I get wrong uh, many times, I would say, you know, like, but at the end of a month, I have big check coming from my trading account to my personal account, you know, that's the goal. The goal is not to get egoistic. The goal is not to be not to carry this ego in ourselves that we cannot be wrong. We can be wrong. We are here to make money. We're not here to put our ego and pride in place and say, no, we cannot. The problem is the schooling system. You know, like we have been taught that if you're wrong, you don't get good jobs. If you're wrong, you cannot become a doctor. If you're wrong, you cannot do this. You have to be right all the time. And over here, the probability is 60-70. So you know, like, just go with the higher probability trades and make tons of money. You know, it's very simple. You know, don't we have to get out of that that trap, sheep trap. You know, a butcher trap where we get a butcher in our 9 to 5 job, and we are stuck. We can't do. We are not risk takers. We cannot take a risk, and we cannot be wrong. In stock market, you can be 40 to 50 times wrong, and if your stop is right and if your profits are good, you're gonna make tons of money, guys. You know, there you go. Boom, 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 boom. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Give me a good flush, and I can go eat something. I'm hungry. I'm super hungry right now. Come on now, man. Give me my flush and let me go. Let me go. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes to go, and boom, boom, boom. All the guys who were buying, dip buying, they got chopped. And let me close my trade very quick. 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm putting my trade. I will be closing in a second. Give me 1 second, guys. It can go down, and it will be going down, but I would like to lock my profit. Give me 1 second, and I have to finish this call too. Give me 1 second, guys. If you were here, you knew I said that we're gonna be closing in black. Okay, guys, I'm out of my position. 86.25, 86.25. Oh my god, I hate this. I'm out. I hate this. I hate this. You see? Oh boy, I hate this. I would have made some extra money, but that's fine. I'm good, guys. Okay, take care, and I'll be sharing this video with you very soon. Take care. Bye bye. Oh my, look at my trick, man. I I chickened out, right? But that's fine. We made some good money. It can go down. It can go down. It can test this lower. It has to test this guy here. If you're a swing trader, if you're buying options or something, you can sell premium or whatever you want to do, however you want to do. We will be testing this blue trend line in a day or two. Thank you, guys. Good luck. Bye bye. See you soon, and get ready for our live trading. Bye bye.